Well guys, I have not fished since September the 21st. Today is November the 7th, 8th, somewhere 9th, somewhere around there. So it's about 7 weeks. Come out today in the we're gonna make a kayak mission. Try for about half an hour, 45 minutes to get bait. I get 3 grunt, 2 blinch. Struggle to catch bait, guys. Check out this little mangrove snapper here. Beautiful fish here. Keeping this grunt. Wouldn't kill the snapper, but use the grunt. Catch a big stinger with that. Some real old shrimp. Have artificials. The water is rough already. We're not there for an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at most. We're supposed to catch 1 fish. Took a long time eat some fresh fish. Time we go today. 1 edible fish. Target number 1 is our redfish, KAYAK. If I get a nice salmon, I would take that. Carrying appling is always a bonus, but you'll see how it goes. First time fishing in 7 weeks. Real miss it. Just hoping to pull a fish on the line. I have some old shrimp, so I should catch some catfish. I really want to catch a good fish to eat. You'll see how it goes. I'm trying to head out there. The water is already rough. It's overcast. The time is, wow, it's 9 o'clock. So I have until half 10 to fish. We gotta go and do something in Port of Spain after. So you'll see how it goes. Hopefully I catch a fish. You guys enjoy the video as well. Gloomy fish on. Wow guys, this water is dirty, choppy, and gloomy. I ain't going far at all because it's not 9 o'clock. I think 10 o'clock will be even worse. Let's pass these crag and waters here. That is real hard work. Don't feel like going now, no? Let's go past where they're passing so I can fish just beyond them so I don't bother them. Say I have about 5 or 6 live baits. Some real old shrimp. Rocking that for 1 hour. I'm gonna post some jig too, but the conditions of this water, the fish see that as I'm working. Normally when the water like this, I head back in. I now coming out. Damn. Sting more rough, right? Okay guys, first things first, go and throw out a live bait on the running line on the rod. I'll get one of these baits out. None of the baits is the right size. Either too big or too small. But I'm going for, I think I might have one decent sized grunt. If I get here out first. Yeah, I think I'll get it. Water is terrible, guys. Normally I would not be out in these conditions, but I haven't fished so long. Give it a try. So here goes nothing. Right, live bait on, running line setup, very small sinker. Can't see out there. There's a banking line on this one. I'll use the shrimp on this one for now. I have my caster, which is a running line as well. Just drag very slack. Alright guys, we got some instant bite on the shrimp here, which is not the best sign. But if it was catfish, I think it'll just keep on biting. So maybe it could have been a good fish that come and just hit it and go. Was the current rail pulling this line, boy? It's current rail strong actually. Definitely nibbling. Ain't too big at the moment. And I get you something. Feeling very small though. Grunt. What is that? Melwish out here, broski. You know, these are edible fish, but they're a little small for me. We catch a fish. I'm not even sure if I catch one of this on the kayak. That's a good sign though. He was about twice that and I keep him and cook him. Yeah, a little small. But off the board? Yeah! I taking that, you know. My trip with it already. I know it bite. It didn't bite like a catfish. That's a real good sign though. No jinx nothing, man. When them are wrong, salmon is be wrong, racky is be wrong, and surprisingly no catfish. So maybe we just do that again. Get a bigger one. First fish, no time at all. My jig out still. Shucks. Alright guys, I reposition the kayak. Bushman wants time to make sure the bow facing into the wave, so that's why I'm looking, but real scary looking like this. And as I finish do that, I get a nice little bite on the rod. Again, it didn't feel like a catfish. He bite and leave. So I'm hoping it's another good fish. So I try him this way, because the water is choppy, it's not terrible. Just beyond my comfort zone, but let you see how it goes like this. The anchor kind of into the front. Bushman said to try to do that and let the bow be into the wave. So we will see if that kind of make things a little easier or less scary. Get a nice little bite in your hand when I was doing all that. So breeze picking up even more, guys. Water still okay. The only thing I'm studying is as I pick up more and more to get back to the shore, it will be difficult. So I'll take like a 15-20 minutes here, then I'll go back in a little closer. So just and break up the paddle back in. My shoulder ain't good, guys, as you would know by now. So if fish biting, I go stay, but if you know one I go like go back in, like I go in like about 50 feet, so the paddle back in will be even easier. You see how it goes. We get one edible fish. Try the jig for a little bit now. See if I can pick up something on it. I'll pop back on the camera if we hook on a fish. Alright, let me make one cast with the jig on the camera. The water just so dirty for this jig. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Yep, it's a bite. As soon as I pick up the jig, and it's a fish. Again, not feeling like catfish bite, but not feeling very big either. What the hell? A bigger mohara. Well, no catfish as yet, which is still good, but no edible fish as well. These are mohara, guys. Call them flinch. Real good stingray bait and big bushie bait, but not the place or the time for that. Alright guys, as I said, I come in, then waves at a bash, and it's how far I reach from the thing. That breeze just push me. I have one little baby live bait here going through it out. I have caught a decent sized reds in this close already, so I mean still had the possibility. I mean, you can see how it goes. Still out here. Still have our wagon. That breeze just had a real pump, boy, and that pushed me. I know paddle that we had. I was quite over there. The thing quite over there. But we still go and try. We could try here as long as we can stay here looking decent. If things look back at the camera again, we'll head back out again. But you see what's happening here? That melonfish looking real good to eat right now. It's not to cook here, it's to go man, carry to man cook. So that'll be enough for me and my wife. I can't cook fish for myself alone. Maybe if I get two, sure, think about that. You see how it goes, guys. If I catch anything, you'll see it. Fishing in pretty shallow here. Something just picked up the baby live bait, guys. Made one big zzz and dropped it. Drag, peel off on this stop. Damn it. That would be a good fish for sure. I don't know how it come, it didn't get stick. Damn, bro. That'd be real small too. So you're supposed to swallow it and get stick. We go that chaotically cartoony jig at the same time. And this one zzz. Damn, bro. Alright guys, I got the fish that was taking the live weight. It feels kind of small. It was a little red spot. And he swallowed it. Damn, bro. Pan size, but he swallowed that live bait. So I mean, on a normal basis I wouldn't kill him, but today, fella, fresh fish on the menu. I will fry you whole. That fish swallowed that bait and stay on the line. So I mean, I will show him properly just now. It's gonna cast back this fly back out. It was one of these, but it was alive. With a dead flinch. With the same bait he take. So you never know. swallow. Check him out. Yeah, a little small, 9 inches exact. See some blood coming out, but he looking like he's good, you know. What do you think? Keep him, throw him back. He looking like he gonna make it alive. I'll never keep on this size no maybe. But like you don't want to swim, so yeah, alive way dead, bro. Yeah, I don't think he will make it. So he gotta get it. He swallowed line here down there for a while. 9 inches, I mean, this is like borderline. Now he go flop. As I pay many water here, he losing the color too. Can't even holding them there. Yeah, swimming. Yeah. Alright, so we'll keep him. We'll cook him. Probably fry him whole. Fish in the boat. That's mission accomplished. Way too small. 50-50. It's like about half an hour again. Never know. Fish on. I get I had my cast line in the bucket with a running line. So go and throw out a live grunt on it. Grunt a little big, especially for being in so shallow, but you never know. Came through right there. If our red's pass on, pick him up. Anything that get a bite so far was live bait again. This bait this a little big, but you never know. Might as well try it. Don't keep the bait in the live well. Alright guys, so last half an hour I decided to come out a little further, not as far as I was initially, maybe midway between, because I wasn't getting no bite any shrimp there. Half an hour to go, the breeze kind of calmed down a little bit. Still overcast, still not the best, but I said I'm gonna try one more spot, half an hour, if you get one more decent fish, see how it goes. So let me see. Fish on. Okay, definitely getting some small bites on the shrimp here guys. It's feeling very weird. Oh, what kind of bite is this? Small, picking at it. Feeling kind of chuff kind of bite. The hooks on the bank line is not the smallest, so I'd let it eat a little bit. Definitely nibbling. Sometimes when these smaller fish taking that big fish is passing out. So let's keep it for a little while. Feeling real small so far. Hey, something was chasing it up. Holy crap. Oh, this is a good fish. Oh, please not stingers. It's a big grunt. Feeling very big. Just a changing spot. Spark all this action. This is a real small hook. 10 leader. Could be a nice red. My camera on. Come in. moving, so I don't think it's a sting. It could be a nice big red. No sign of it yet. Don't have my glove to grab it. But there's something with some weight. Afraid to touch my camera, yes. I don't think it's a stingray, you know. I feel it's a big reds, you know. Oh god, that small stingray. Wait, that white fight like a reds, boy. Maybe it right in him out there. Damn it. That sucks. My plans fly up. What's all kind of thing? Good thing is aluminum. Let's see if you can view this guy. Reasonable manner. Great. Thanks for the excitement. Mash up that grunt. It was a small stingers, that's why I thought it could have been a reds. Damn it. At least some excitement. At least some excitement. And I am getting bite on the shrimp. And why the jig feel like it's hooked up on something here now? The jig was on the bottom. What the hell? What the hell? There's all kind of thing happening. Tread. I hope my GoPro won't fall this. This jig sit on the ground. What the hell? What the hell just happened? Stingray on your hand line, those are reds. Was getting bite on the banking and a catfish take the jig line down. Boy, fishing, you never know what could happen. That thing will get me excited though. Could that be a reds? We have about 20 minutes again. Let me see if we get something. Fish. Hey, I love to be out here, you know. I just miss it when I do come out, boy. You can't beat fishing, you know. Not the best conditions. Look at it, look at the sky. Choppy, breeze blowing, but you had to love it, guys. You had to love it. Time you have stress, whether work, finances, come out, take a fish, wherever it is. Make you feel better one time. Here we go again, fish on. I have one last live bait here, guys. Go and play back in the hand line. Hopefully it's a reds this time instead of a stingray. That's one last live bait. We have 15 minutes again, 20 minutes again, so it really matter. Like this line again, I bite on my lap here. Still catching catfish on the jig, so maybe this squad could reach. But I can't take nothing for granted. It's a crazy day, so nibble for sure. Small. I'm biting like a catfish. Breezy side to kick back up again. Staying on for the 10 minutes. Yeah, for a little small bite. Pan a small kind of boss a strike here. That's hella big. I like eat on my bait there. That's a moving spot. Real action. Wasn't getting no bite on your shrimp over there. No, as soon as you drop your shrimp, you're getting bite. Oh, these one. They're here. They're small. Some action better than no action. In between all them catfish, sometimes have a little salmon or raki. Or the insta bite. Look at that. Probably tell catfish in area. Still have a live bait out, so we still have hope for it. So I need to put a chunk of grunt on the next road. Right now I have a dead flinch. The chunk of grunt might be better. Well, I was checking the bait on the next road. Something pull off with this. Most likely it's a nice catfish, but again we never know. Yeah, skate off with that. Yes, most of these fellas is also be one after the next. Now we're gonna change bait on the next road. Small fella pull that rod out. Alright guys, so that's about it. We get some quick action for some catfish, but that's about no other good fish. The breeze blowing real hard right now with whistling. The water's still not bad. Is that breeze gonna be pressure to paddling? I've been semi-successful there. We catch some fish, long time I catch some fish. It doesn't matter what kind of fish, what's the size of fish. Once I feel like fishing line, I feel good. So mission accomplished. I got 1 9-inch reds. We go ET somehow, fry him, bake him something. I don't release him if he was good, but that was good. Stingray give you a lot of excitement. But that's just, you know, a couple hours on the water, like I say. Come on, just fish away, whatever stress you have. Relax yourself, enjoy the outdoors. The water wasn't the best today. The conditions wasn't the best, but still being out here is very relaxing and it just make you feel better. Alright, so I'm gonna rack up heading. Next thing you might see me is just when I finish cooking the fish, I might just take a video of that or a picture and show you that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed being out here, no matter what. You guys enjoyed watching it. So keep fishing, fish on. Oh yeah, you see that breeze? It's blowing. We had to end up there, right? So we're going to aim for there, but sure the kayak go end up reaching like somewhere by the mountain there, and we gotta walk across it because the breeze is so strong. But I'm pushing hard to reach there. You can see how it goes. My shoulder is not the best. I pull 25, must have trying to reach any back heel kind of thing, but you see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Fish on. Alright guys, so I'm just wrapping up this line and I'm feeling like something on it. This was a big grunt. What the? And next reds. I mean, the big grunt fly out there. He bigger than the next one. So I guess one for me, one for my wife to go. I saw a surprise catch the next one right there. And that fish again catch yourself. He's a little bigger. He's about 10 inches, but you going home. Because I can't cook a fish all for myself. What the hell on the live grunt? That grunt has sink down, but that grunt was so big. How the hell he take that? Live bait is the thing, yes. I'll show you him there again. I just started to see something. How to kick it. Watch. Yeah, about 9 inches, but he's fatter. You go eat him. Can't eat for myself. One for me, one for the wife. 2 fish to cook. This is a crazy day. I didn't do the outro thing already. That fish, that big grunt like this. Hey, redfish mad. This fishing mad. Today was a crazy day. Alright, let me go inside now. What the hell? This dog getting a bite still out? Catfish come back or? Okay, nah, let me go inside, right? We gotta go. It wasn't as bad. I didn't go as far as that, but the launch is over there. Water's still deep for me to jump out here because my phone in my pocket. so go battle up. Big log in the water there, guys. Big log in the water. Ah, we made it. That was a hard paddle, guys, but we make it. Good little exercise. Fish on, really sure. I'll still come on to this thing. Them look big, guys. Nice to catch you. Back on shore was a tough day, but we get food. For sure. So even though it was a tough day out, still managed to catch 2 fish to come home and prepare dinner. Wasn't the biggest, but 2 of them would just be enough. It was a quick preparation with some avocado oil on the fish and season it with simple Cajun seasoning. Wasn't too extravagant, but trust me, it tastes real best. I know even though it was a tough day out, being on the water was all that matters, and catching these 2 fish was a bonus. And like I said, it turned out to be just enough for a meal for me and the wife. Quick seasoning, season the fish, both sides, rubbertine, season the vegetables, stuff the fish with the vegetables, leave some outside, and put this in the oven for about half an hour to 35 minutes. And just like that, fresh redfish baked to perfection, caught on the kayak in a couple hours. Again, is a bonus to catch the fish, but it tastes real best. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Wholesome Fishing. Hoping to be posted more regularly from now. Just see how it goes. Hopefully I catch some fish. Tough day out, but we get it done. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, guys. Thanks always for watching. Keep fishing. Fish on. Check that fish now. Best.